Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a realistic grass in less than a minute in Cinema 4D. It's very easy and let's get started. Okay, first I'll go to Cube and I'll add a landscape like that. Then I'll go to Floor and Grow Grass. Okay, click on Grow Grass here, open material, and I'll go to density and I'll change it to 100. Okay, so let me see this. Yeah, here we go. Now I want to change this white floor, so I'll go to create a new material, double click on it, then I'll go to color here and take this color and I'll make it darker, something like that. Then I'll add it here and I'll put it here. Okay, and let me see this. Yeah, this is good. Okay, now I'll go to floor and also I'll add maybe a physical sky, and also I'll go to time and location. Let me change it to night, something like that, and I'll add a light also, and I'll change the color light, something also like that, and let me see this. Okay, this is very good. And this is our tutorial today. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.